PX3. It was brand new, fresh off the boat. Got him a rival bar, a 2-inch AutoCraze lift kit, 20-inch wheels, tyres. The man Paul here from
DPW Plant Hire
owns the vehicle.
Yes.
He's a man of a lot of words sometimes.
Mate.
Changed his mind a few times. But what do you feel, bro?
Mate, awesome job by the AutoCraze team. Very professional, smooth outfit, love it. Good guys to deal with, and check it out. Beast.
So what do we say here? That's how we do a Ranger, bro.
That's how we do a Ranger, bro.